2-box tribute. Pick your team number 5, guys. This is the heart of the case. Let's see something real nasty. Let's see our Olympus. Let's see some nasty stuff. Good luck. Oh, what am I doing? Yeah, straight. Let's open up everything and let's just go through it. Let's get surprised. Let's not do it pack by pack. Let's get surprised. Yeah, DQ in the 6th round. I don't know what Logan Paul's odds was to win, but I probably would have put money on that. I mean, not Logan Paul, Jake Paul, sorry. I can't support that. Like, no offense. No, I actually forgot. I normally do this pack by pack, Rainier. I actually just kind of forgot. All right, let's go. Let's go. We start with Zach Wheeler on the triple relic for Philly. First auto. It's Berrios for the Jays to 75. That's yellow or gold. Also gold of Carlos Correa for the Twins. Machado. Next auto. Brian Reynolds for the Pirates. 299 green. Pirates on the board for Brian Reynolds. Andrew. There's a dual relic of Torrey Hunter and Buxton. Polar Pete Alonso on a relic for the Mets. Lucinda. Sandy. Correa. I like this color. Nelson Velasquez? Yes. For the Cubbies to 199, it's Nelson Velasquez. Oh, he got pulled very fast. He was not given any opportunities. He was pulled very quick. You know how I know he got pulled really quick, Tobin? Because I had him bet for, I forget how many strikeouts, 5 strikeouts or something like that. So when he got pulled, the first words out of my mouth was, I was like, damn it, you really have to pull him? I also only bet, I think I only bet him because either Jags or Hawk told me to bet it. Or said it looked good. I don't want to say they told me to bet it. I don't like saying that. Last stack in box 1. Good luck. There's Tatis. There's the captain, Derek Jeter. There's Cassis, rookie base. And our last auto. That's pretty sick for the Red Sox. I haven't ever hit him ever. Nomar Garciaparra, purple for the Red Sox. LFLUD. Nice Nomar Garciaparra and Sean Murphy. It's a sick one. Box 2. There's Vladdy Daddy for the Blue Jays and Card Patrol. on a triple relic. O'Neal Cruz, Piazza. First auto is Gerard Encarnacion for the Fish. To 199. Miami. Meatloaf. I love Meatloaf. There's Larry Walker. Colorado. Xander Bogaerts. I like these 2-box tributes. It's nice and cheap and fun. Pretty sure we have an Olympus here. Come on, give me a little hint over here. Give me a hint. Hey, for the Padres, San Diego. LFLUD with the Olympus of Juan Soto to 25. I thought it was going to be a Pirate, actually. Nice Juan Soto to 25, the former national turned Padre. LUD's having a nice box. I said LUD. Mike Trout with some surface skunk on it. Votto. Luis. Tyant. I'm not familiar with him for Boston. I'm actually not familiar with him. Purple of Laddie Daddy again. Red of Cedric Mullins to 10 for the Orioles. Marquez, and our last auto is Tim Hudson for the Athletics to 150. And Ortiz. That was a break. That was a nice 2-boxer. No big rookies or anything. You guys might want to consider taking the last 2 boxes in the case. Might want to consider that, guys. Might not be a bad idea. No big rooks yet. This might be a Legends case as well. I don't know. All right, let's recap it. That was a solid break. Nice. That's the break, guys. Thanks, everybody.